In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in your Dropbox account using either the desktop app or the web interface. Whether you're on Windows or Mac or prefer using a web browser, this guide will walk you through the steps to keep your files organized and easily accessible. Let's start with the desktop app. This method works for both Windows and Mac computers. First, you'll need to open your File Explorer if you're on Windows, or Finder if you're on a Mac. Navigate to your Dropbox folder, which is generally located in C/users/yourname/Dropbox on Windows. Alternatively, you can access it quickly by clicking the folder icon next to the search bar in your Dropbox desktop app. Once you're inside your Dropbox folder, or within any subfolder you've created, right-click in an empty space. On Windows, you'll choose New and then Folder from the options that appear. On a Mac, you can either go to File and then select New Folder, or simply right-click and choose New Folder. This creates a new folder that will instantly sync with your Dropbox account, ensuring that it's available wherever you access Dropbox. When you've named your folder, don't forget to press Enter to finalize it. Suppose you want to share this folder with friends or colleagues. In that case, all you have to do is right-click on the folder, select the Share option, and then follow the prompts to invite people to join and collaborate with you. Now, let's take a look at how you can create a folder using the Dropbox web interface. Start by opening your favorite web browser and visiting Dropbox.com. After signing in, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find the Files or All Files option. Click on it, and then look for the plus Create button, usually situated near the top of the page. From here, you'll select Folder, if you just want to create a private folder. If you're thinking about collaborating, choose Shared Folder instead. After you've selected, it's time to give your new folder a name. If you've opted to create a shared folder, you'll be prompted to enter email addresses of those you want to share it with. You'll also have options to set permissions, choosing whether the people you share with can edit the contents or merely view them. Once you've made these choices, click Share. Voila! Your new folder will appear in your Dropbox account. If you have the desktop app installed, it will also sync and show up in your local Dropbox folder on your computer. There you have it. Creating a new folder in Dropbox is straightforward and gives you the flexibility to organize and share documents easily, whether you're at your desk or on the go. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.